Hello and welcome everyone. So the first lecture is already done. So a bit of recapitulation. What we have known till now is probability lies between 0 and 1. It cannot exceed 1 and it cannot be less than 1. Okay. So in that context, if I ask you, if the probability of you passing the examination is 0.7, what is the probability that you will not pass the examination? That is, you will fail the examination. That will be how much? That will be how much? That will be 0.3, isn't it? Because 0.7 plus 0.3 is 1. Okay. So what I am trying to say is, if the probability of occurrence of an event is known, okay, the probability of non-occurrence of the event can be easily known by taking 1 minus the probability of occurrence of the event. Okay. So here I have written, if the probability of occurrence of an event is 0.7, if the probability of you passing the examination is 0.7, then the probability of you not passing the examination will be 1 minus 0.7. Okay, because 0.7 and 0.3 is 1. That is very, very simple, isn't it? That is a very, very simple concept. Okay. Now, today's lecture is basically, here we'll basically deal with throwing of a dice and a pack of cards. Okay. First of all, let me tell you about throwing a die. Okay, you have seen Ludo, isn't it? Ludo. In Ludo, we have possibilities. Possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, isn't it? So if a die is thrown once, okay, if I ask you, what is the probability that the number 4 is going to appear? Okay, what is the probability that number 4 is going to appear? So probability of occurrence of 4 is equal to, we know the definition of probability, number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes, right? Now this means, how many favorable outcomes are there? How many 4s are there? 1 4 is there. So number of favorable outcomes means 1. What are the total number of possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's very simple. So similarly, if I ask you, what is the probability of getting, suppose 2, it's same, number of favorable outcomes is 1, 6. So all these events are equally probable, and if we add up 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 6 times, and you will get 1. That means the probability of occurrence of 1 is 1 by 6, the probability of getting 2 is 1 by 6, the probability of getting 3 is also 1 by 6, so on and so forth. It's very simple. It will become a bit complicated, not complicated, when we throw 2 dice together. That we'll do later. But in the meantime, this is a very simple concept that I am trying to give you. Okay. Now let us come to the thing. Card case. Okay. It's a very, fun. It's a lot of fun to talk about cards, and your parents may say that you are getting naughty, but it's good to be naughty sometimes. Okay, so in a pack of cards we have a total of 52 cards. Everyone knows there are 2 colors, red and black. Okay, so 26 cards are red colored and 26 cards are black colored. Okay, so the red colored cards are all again divided into hearts and diamonds. There are 13 cards having hearts and 13 cards having diamonds. Okay, similarly the black colored cards are divided into clubs and spades. Okay, what we call chidi and bhote. So clubs and spades, 13 clubs are there and 13 spades are there. Okay, this is okay. So in total 52 cards, 26 each, 26 black, 26 red. In 26 red colored cards we have 13 hearts and 13 diamonds. You can check out a deck of cards, you can yourself, and 13 clubs and 13 spades. Okay, now there's another thing which is called face cards. Okay, face cards we have J, Q and K. Okay, so the numbers look like this: 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then instead of 10 we have J, 11 Q, and instead of 12 we instead of 11 we have J, instead of 12 we have Q, and instead of 13 we have K. So it looks like this. So J, Q and K are the face cards. So we have 3 face cards in each category. Each category means 3 face card of hearts, 3 face cards of diamonds, 3 face cards of club and 3 face cards of spades. So in total how many face cards we have? 3 into 4, that is 12. Okay. Okay. 3 jacks, 3 queens and 3 kings. Okay. So, 1 jack, 1 queen and 1 king each of heart, diamond, club and spade, that is 3 into 4, that will be 12. A total of 12 face cards are there. So out of 12 face cards, it's obvious that red face cards will be 6 and black face cards will be 6. It's very obvious, right? It's obvious because we'll have 3 face cards, that is jack, queen and king of hearts and diamonds. That gives you 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6. Similarly 3 plus 3, 6 black face cards. Okay, so if it's not clear, let me recapitulate again. Total number of cards 52, red cards 26, black cards 26. Okay, where again we have the red cards are divided into hearts and diamonds, 13 each. Black cards are divided into clubs and spades, 13 each. Now we have face cards 3 each from each category of hearts, diamonds, clubs and spades. So in total we have 3 into 2, that is 3 into 4, that is 12 cards, 12 face cards. Okay, now in that we have 6 red face cards, that is 3 for hearts and 3 for diamonds, and we have 6 black face cards, that is 3 for clubs and 3 for spades. Okay, that is it. Now what is the possibility? What is the probability when a card is drawn at random? Card drawn at random. What is the probability of getting a red card? For example, very simple. So how many red cards are there? Total number of possible outcomes is total number of favorable outcomes is 26. What are the total number of possible outcomes? Out of 52 cards, there are 26 red cards. So 26 by 52, this will be 1, 2, this will be half. So similarly, what will be the probability of getting a black card? Obviously, probability of getting a black card will also be half, isn't it? 1 minus half, or you can simply say 26 by 52 again. Now, if I ask you, what's the time?
7:40.
Okay. So if I ask you, what is the probability from a well shuffled deck of cards? What is the if you draw a card at random? What is the probability of getting face card, for example? Probability of getting a face card. So probability of getting a face card. How many face cards are there? 6 plus 6, that is 12. 12 face cards are there. So 12 divided by what are the total number of cards? 52. So this will give you 4 by 30. Is it okay? Similarly, if I ask you, what is the probability of getting a black face card? So how many black face cards are there? 6. 6 by 52. So 3, 26. It will be 3 by 26. It's very simple. Are you getting my point? Hope this is clear. Hope I am able to explain you all properly. Now, similarly, I may ask you, what is from a well shuffled deck of cards, what is the probability of drawing a king? Probability of drawing a king. How many kings are there? How many kings are there? Obviously, 4 A's are there, 4 2's are there, 4 3's are there. So that 4 into 13 becomes 52, isn't it? So 4 jacks are there, 4 queens are there, 4 kings are there. So 4 divided by 52, that will give you 1 by 13. Now if I ask you, what is the probability of drawing a black king? So black king. So black king means how many black kings are there? In total we have 4 kings, heart, diamond, club and spade. Okay, so black means club and spade only. So how many kings will be there in total? 2 kings. 2 divided by 52, this will give you 1 by 26. Are you getting my point? Is it okay? Now let us consider one more example. What is the probability of drawing a queen of hearts. What is the probability of drawing a queen of hearts? Okay, queen, how many queens are there? 4 queens are there, obviously. Heart, diamond, club and spade. But how many queens are there which possess this heart? Okay, how many queens of hearts are there? Only one, because in total we have 4 queens, each of heart, diamond, club and spade. But we are having only one queen, which is which is a heart, which is a queen of hearts. So 1 by 52. Are you understanding? Is it okay? Now next, you have to go through it properly. I am giving you a gist. I hope within this span of time you understand. You make the most of it. Now, if I ask, what is the probability? What is the probability of getting a red jack? Probability of getting a red jack. So how many red jacks are there? How many jacks are there? Obviously jacks will be 4. So but red jack means either heart or diamond. So 2 divided by 52, this will give you 1 by 26. Are you understanding? So basically what I am trying to say is, you need to know how many, you need to know the distribution of cards. They are numbered from A to K. Okay, A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, J, Q, K. Okay, each numbered card, there are 4 cards of each number having this species, heart, diamond, club and spade. Okay, so out of that you need to know how many cards of that color is there, how many card of that category is there. After that, you know that the total number of possible outcomes is 52 in the case of pack of cards. That you need to understand. After that, you will be able to do very easily. Very last one, if I ask you, what is the probability of drawing an ace? What is the probability of drawing an ace? Probability of drawing an ace. Ekka. So how many aces are there? Obviously 4 aces. 4 by 52. What is the probability of drawing a black ace? How many black aces are there? 2 red and 2 black. So 2 black, 2 by 52. 4 by 52. This is 1 by 13. Similarly, this is 1 by 26. Okay. So more or less, I think this discussion on cards will help you, and hope you will be able to solve the questions. If you have any queries, you can just tell me. Okay. Okay, then we'll stop here. In the next class, we'll talk about throwing 2 dices together, tossing 2 coins together, etc. Okay. So, thank you so much.